Hi, this is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna. Today's knitting lesson is how to purl. For this, I'm using the Burnout Softy Chunky yarn in a super bulky weight. Also, size 11 straight needles by Knit Picks. So let's begin. The purl stitch is the opposite of this knit stitch. So we're going to do the opposite of what we did when knitting the knit stitch. Take your right needle, insert it from front to back, like this, still creating that X T shape. Take your working yarn, and wrap it counterclockwise around the needle, like this. Holding the yarn and the right needle together, you can use your thumb to kind of help push the needle off the stitch and release that left stitch. Again, insert the needle, right needle, front to back. Take the working yarn, wrap it counterclockwise, like this. Hold the yarn and the needle together. Use your thumb to help push the right needle off the stitch on the left needle. Release, and there is the purl stitch. Again, insert the right needle from front to back, creating this X shape. Bring the working yarn forward, wrapped around counterclockwise. Push the needle and the yarn off through the stitch. Release that left stitch. These are birds that are flying overhead. I'm working outside in my backyard. Today is the first day of fall. It's still pretty up here. Finally, the air quality is so much better, so we can sit outside here in California. Once again, insert your right needle from front to back through the stitch, creating that X. Bring the working yarn forward, wrap it counterclockwise, holding the needle and the yarn together. Pull through the loop, release. Insert front to back, wrap counterclockwise, pull through the needle, pull through the loop, release the stitch. Front to back, wrap counterclockwise, bring the needle and the yarn through the loop, release the stitch. One more time, and last time. Insert that needle from front to back. Take the working yarn, wrap it around the needle counterclockwise. Hold the needle and the yarn together. Pull both through the loop. Release the stitch. And there you have it. Your purl stitch. There are your purl stitches. You just purled. Thank you for watching. This is a new channel, so please subscribe and check out our other videos. Don't forget to click, like, leave your comments, and I hope to see you again. See you soon. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Take care. Bye.